Okay, so not sure if you remember or not, but maybe a month and a half or so ago I took this 1983 Yamaha YZ490 in Part X against a 92 Honda CR250, and I did all the walk around video of it and everything like that. Bike seems to be in good condition and pretty much ready to go, I would say. And then I got it running, and then I was going to do a video of riding it, and literally the clutch was just stuck, so it was dragging really bad. So every time you put it in gear it just completely stalled, and so what I said I was going to do was I was going to take the clutch apart and have a look at it and then sort the clutch out. So I started doing that a couple of weeks back, and then took the clutch, all of the clutch plates. Well, so there's an adjuster that goes through the clutch to adjust the clutch kind of the play in the clutch, if you like, how much the basket separates, and so that adjuster was wound all the way in, so that wasn't going to be helping it. Anyway, I took it apart and the plates were like, they felt like they were like glued together. So I separated them, and then I've soaked them in some nice fresh ATF oil. And then while I was doing that, I noticed that the kickstart gear and the idler gear had got two teeth missing off it, and the teeth were in the bottom of the crankcase. So anyway, so I've literally, there were some pictures of it on my Instagram and that, I've replaced those two gears just today, and then I've just put all the clutch back together. I've just had the bike fired up and I've checked the clutch is working, so I'm just going to do the video of riding it, and then this bike can go back up for sale. Took a bit of kicking to get it going. Just had it running. It's got a bit of fluid or something, but as you can see, running like a good one, and pulled like a train. Absolutely fantastic bike. The kickstart and the idler gears have been replaced. It should be ready to go really. Go through it and set it up to your liking. Maybe different levers or whatever, however you like things set up. Please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just search Phoenix Motos.